Welcome to Creating a Data Table tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a data table in RapidBIZ. This screen is the home screen of the RapidBIZ development and deployment environment. As you can see in the My Tools panel, there are many features and functions that will assist you in the development of an application. This video will show how to create a data table in RapidBIZ. Data storage is where you work with creating tables or creating data collections. Collections are an easy way to join existing tables. Right now, we'll be working with data tables, so we'll select to create a table under the Tools function. Here we can define various pieces of optional information, but the table name is required. You'll note that the schema is already defined and cannot be changed. Schema names are assigned per RapidBIZ instance. Table comments and application use information are optional fields. We'll call our table Account Table. We'll click Next to continue to build the table. You'll see that we have different pull-downs for Data Type, Standard, and Advanced. Standard types are more commonly used data types where their use is pretty easily understood. Advanced data types are types that probably require some level of data management understanding to know when and where to use the data types in an application. It's worthwhile to notice that RapidBIZ automatically creates an ID column. However, you can create your own ID column if you like. We'll add a column called Account Name and select the data type of characters and set the column length to 250. RB, which is short for RapidBIZ, will remember the data type and length. So on subsequent columns of the same type, you can quickly add without needing to reselect those parameters. While the additional columns are added, I'll mention that RB supports two different databases, IBM's DB2 and MySQL. Additionally, applications developed in RB can be moved seamlessly from one supported database to the other using universal database support native to RB. This means you can develop the application on one database model and deploy the application on another model. When RB is installed on a server, the installer looks for either an existing DB2 or MySQL database, and if they already exist on that server, they'll be used. Otherwise, one will be installed. As you can see in the columns in the view below, there's a lot of detailed information that can be seen there. Things like precision, scale, and so on only apply to decimal data types. But you also have the ability to set a default value or initial values. This type of function is helpful when importing data from another table, where you need to match an auto-incrementing value that is handled through the database. You'll also see under Data Type Characteristics that you can also set the column to be encrypted. RB supports encryption of data adequate enough to deploy HIPAA-based applications in accordance with the current technical standards of HIPAA 45 CFR 160. If there is a need to edit a column, this can be done by selection of the edit icon. Make the changes and save the changes by clicking the Save. Space allocated for tables is shown in the remaining space field. This value will count down as you add columns to the table. So there, we've created the accounts table, and we can either apply and continue to work on this table, or save and leave this table to work on another database table. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. As you can see, you can create tables required for application development in RB without the need for any other database tools.